Hello, morning everyone. So today we are going to another subtopic of linear inequalities. So teacher are going to go into the last part of our session for chapter linear inequalities, which is simultaneous linear inequalities. In previous chapter, you have learned how to do step-by-step simultaneous linear equation. So now, this morning, teacher are going to show you step by step on how to solve following simultaneous linear inequalities. So, okay, given question 1, okay? Question 1. So, given 2x plus 5 less than 11 and 3x minus 10 less than 5. So, okay, step by step, okay? So the first step that you need to do is simplify each of the linear inequality to the simplest form. So how are we going to do that? Each linear inequality. So this the first step, okay? Sorry. All right. So first step that you need to do is simplify each linear inequality to the simplest form. Okay, so the first one, 2x plus 5 less than 11. So we want to isolate x until it becomes single. So 2x less than 11 minus 5. 2x less than 6. Then x less than 6 over 2x less than 3. And then next linear inequality is 3x minus 10 less than 5. So 3x less than 5 plus 15. 3x less than uh, 20. Wait, yeah. Oh no, sorry. This one's supposed to be 10 plus 10, right? Plus with 10, so 15. So x less than 15 over 3. Then you'll get x less than 5. Okay, next step that you need to do is I'm going to write. So your second step, you need to determine common value of both inequalities by using a method based on number line. So number line, you have learned it before. So okay, ini number line lah. So okay, given a range of okay over here, we you look each inequalities that you have simplified before. So you have 3 and 5. So 3 on the left side since 3 is the smaller number, and then 5. Okay, and then by referring to the first inequality, so x less than 3. If less than, then dia dia, dia bulatan macam dia bulatan yang kosong. So less than 3 kan. So to the left, x less than 3. And then another one is x less than 5. So sama juga, bulatan kosong. X less than 5. So common value in number line means you have to find common region for both side. So apa maksud dia common region? Okay, common region dalam arti kata lain di mana kawasan yang dia bertindih. So of course on this particular region. So our solution, since x needs to satisfy x less than 3 and x less than 5, then the common region based on the number line, the solution is x less than 3 because common region dia di sebelah sini on the purple shaded part. Okay, so this is your final answer. Okay, so need 2 easy step. Okay, we are going to discuss another question so that you can understand a bit more. Okay, okay, this one is the first question. Now we look at the second question. Okay, okay, the next question. All right, I'm going to use another example of inequality. So the second for our second question, okay, so for our second question, I'm going to use at x plus 5 greater than or equal to 5x minus 13. And then another inequalities is 3x minus 4 greater than 9x plus 20. Okay, for example, given two inequalities, then you have to find the solution for simultaneous linear inequalities from both given linear inequalities. So okay, step by step. Okay, so the first step, again, simplify. So the first, for the first linear inequalities, 5x minus 13, and then at x minus 5x greater than equal negative 13 minus 5, then you get 3x greater than or equal to negative 18, then x greater than equal to negative 18 over 3, then you'll get x greater than or equal to negative 6. And then for the second inequalities, 3x minus 4 greater than 9x plus 20. So you'll get 3x minus 9x greater than 20 plus 4. And then you'll get negative 6x greater than 24. And then you want to move negative 6 again, what you have learned before. If for division and multiplication, whenever you move negative value, you have to change the direction of the inequalities. So x, since this one is negative 6, then if you move it to the right side, the direction of the inequalities change. So 24 over negative 6. Excuse me. So x is less than negative 4. So this one is the simplest form for both inequalities. So we can proceed to the next step. Okay, so next step, second step is you, again, we want to determine common value by using the number line method. So first that you need to do, the easiest way is draw your number line. I'm going to do it properly lah, by using a ruler. Okay, supaya lagi cantik. Okay. So we have negative 6 and negative 4. Since negative 6 is smaller than negative 4, so negative 6 is on the left side and then negative 4 is on the right side. And then we have x is greater than or greater or equal than negative 6. Okay, so macam yang teacher bagi tahu sebelum ni, if greater or equal, then the dot here must be in full color. Okay, so it is going to the right because x is greater than negative 6. So x is greater, no, not greater, greater or equal than negative 6. And then we look on the second one. X less than negative 4. So less than tidak equal kan, so dia hanya bulatan begitu saja. It is not in full color. So ini sini lah. Okay, the blue one tadi sini. Okay, now this one is to the left side. since x is smaller than negative 4. If it is smaller, like you have learned before, it should be going to the left side because x is less than negative 4. Now, you should find the common region. So, where is your common region? Whenever a region yang bertindih, a region that overlap, that is where your solution are going to be. So in this case, the common region is somewhere around here. It is in between negative 6 and negative 4. So for this common region, your value of your solution, therefore our solution, x is the proper way that you can write is after you have determined the common region, the easiest way we know that x is greater or equal than negative 6, and then x is less than negative 4. From where? Kalau kamu tengok kenapa dia macam ni, x greater or equal than negative 6, because over here x ini. So x dia greater or equal than negative 6, and then x is less than negative 4. And then therefore x is, kamu kasih gabung saja semua, negative 4. This is our final answer. Okay, not this one, not x greater than or equal to negative 6, and then x equal to less than negative 4. Kamu mesti gabung dia jadi in transitive form. Still remember transitive form, if I'm not mistaken, transitive form. Wait, yeah, I have to check our notes first. It is in yes, transitive form. Okay, this one is in transitive form. Is your, if your region is overlap in the middle, then your solution should be like this. Okay, I think that's it for our discussion. I'm going to see you guys virtually in our next class. Okay, thank you, bye, see you guys.